Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Fresh little new car dealer trade-in we just got. I love finding these older cars in exceptional condition because so many of my customers need good little inexpensive cars for their family, their kids, their college students. Let me let you walk around and take a look at this thing. It's a 2000 and Volvo XC60. It's a T5. Thing is in just really nice condition. The paint is super nice. Tires are already good. We're not going to need to put tires on it. But look how clean this thing is. We just got it out of the detail shop. It hasn't been through the mechanical shop yet. But we will certainly have that done in the next day or two. This thing is just clean and crisp and nice. Look at those mats. Look at the carpet. Look at the leather. Dual power seats. This car has navigation, backup cameras. So even though it's a 15, it's still pretty well appointed. Sunroof also, if I didn't mention it. It's got the seatbelt anchors for the child seats. There's your sunroof, dual panel sunroof. This is my second attempt at a video because I messed up the first one. The sun is shining bright today. Cargo area, seats fold down. It's got a cargo mat in it. You can tell the WeatherTech's been in here for a long time. The carpet is like new. I mean, just super nice. You know, we try and fix every little thing mechanically and cosmetically. This car will go through the shop. We'll fully service everything, do all the fluids and the filters, make sure there's no funny noises, shakes, vibrations, rattles, or bangs. Dual power memory seating. There is, on occasion, a cosmetic thing that I decide not to fix, and this is one of those occasions. So you see how nice this car is. These plastic gear shift handles sometimes get these little cracks in them. It's not a crack, it's just like crazing. I have no plans to fix that because that would add $3 or $4 more $100 to the price, and I think most customers will not care about that. If you want that fixed, that's no problem. Just when you see the video, give me a call, let me know. Probably between $350 and $400 we can replace that shifter. But like I said, I don't think most customers are going to care about that. If this was a $25,000 car, then obviously I would fix it and not even question it. But just trying to keep the price of the car down. But this thing is just so nice cosmetically, and it will be all mechanically done. We appreciate you guys shopping at Sawnee Mountain Motors as always. You can call me on my cell directly, Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Thanks for shopping and have a great day.